Hello! I'm here at Tagaytay. You can see the beautiful view. Beautiful. And this is Condotel. I'm here outside. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. So, hello guys! So, ang ganda dito. Malamig. Malayong-malayo ang water sa Manila. Napakaganda ng view natin. You can see that. Hello. Nakagising ko lang early in the morning. Hey, Tagaytay. Ano yung golf course view natin? Malapit lang siya. And of course, yun, papasok. Nasa 16th floor. 1605. So, 16th floor. Natutulog pa kasi yung kasama ko. So, ayoko muna pumasok sa room. I'm gonna tour you later on what's inside Condotel Tagaytay. Bye for now. Napakaganda po ng view early in the morning. It's kind of scary kasi medyo mataas siya. Pero napakaganda lang yun. Hello, Tagaytay! This is the place.
Yung mga bago na yun, yung salita.
Kaya sa lobby store.
Kaya,
Kaya sa lobby store.
sorry, diretso na kayo doon.
Hindi ka ma-get yun.
That's not just my mom.
Yeah, how about you, Bea?
ABM graduate.
Leah's more into business than I am, actually.
Nice.
What time? Because of lunch.
I don't know. I mean,
Diretso lang siya, oh. Kasi wala naman. Tanda mo, 1605. Yeah, 1605. Ha? Ano yun?
saan po punta nyo?
1605. Ano building?
Tower
Tayo?
2. Na po ba kayo o mag-ticket pa na?
Hindi, we own the property.
Ano po pangalan?
Adelpha.
Para sa dito.
Lubong. Lubong.
Lubong.
Yeah. Thank you. Napansin mo ba yung red? Dinikitan ka? Ah, really? Nasaan ba ako? Right or left? Left. Dinikitan ako?
I could actually see his front view mirror. He almost hit me.
Yeah. Really? Is there any,
No, it didn't
Thank-
actually hit me.
like I
But
told
it was
you.
really close.
so close.
Why?
You didn't notice it, but
I didn't notice it. Why? Then you can be look like room around here,
Oh, sure. You can go straight.
and then I will let your tita Jo.
no, I will not drive. I'm just gonna let you drive.
Later.
If you're tired of driving, I can do it. We're not on the open road anymore.
So just look at the view. Are you okay, Biang Biang?
Just sleeping.
Sleeping?
Are you okay?
My motor, just careful of that. Or else you're gonna pay for it. Madudurog siya, pero babayaran mo.
Somewhere there? You want to go there? Where is Tita Dan's place? There?
You should tell your mom to bring the keys so you can see the place.
Yes. You can call your mom? Can you call Deo, please? Can you call your mom? Just to check. Yeah. What is there?
I don't really know. I've never really got that.
Okay, let's go there.
Your cooking partner.
Right. Let's see if this works.
Ang ganda naman, paikot na parang bundok. Pero diretso lang.
Circle.
Hello, Ma. There's Ma.
Just checking in.
Oh,
RBC?
We're just roaming around Spendido. Though I got to ask, when are you going to fetch us? Like what time? Okay. Okay.
How about the key? How about the key?
How about the key at the desk? To the car?
Can we check the other unit?
You want to check Tito Dan's unit?
We can go there. We can enter. Okay.
Okay. Okay, alright.
Maganda siya dito, no?
Yeah,
It's nice.
the houses are
Look at the houses.
Inside the very.
fancy.
Ang Zesto Choco, chock overloaded sa vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, and calcium based on RE&I. Kaya pagdating sa chocolate drink, Zesto Choco, chock overloaded to.
But nobody here. Technically, nobody living here.
Yeah, it's just like their spare houses for vacation.
Where are we going? Do you have any idea there?
This might actually lead us down.
Save radio.
You know, may paakyat doon. I don't know where that's going there. Is that scary going there? No. I think we need to go back.
We're just going down all the way to Laurel.
No,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just don't go there.
Yeah.
You can go.
Such a
You
long
can.
mess of.
You can do your turn.
Such
If-
a long mess of.
Yes. There's a
Yeah.
U-turn.
There should be.
You want to...
Ay, mag-U-turn ka na dito kasi stop na to. Hindi ka naman talaga makakapasok. Yeah. Hanggang dito lang siguro yung property nila. This This is Tagaytay. That's, I think, that's Taal Volcano. Taal Volcano. We're on the third floor. And we're here. And parking lot, and then you drive. Nice to be out. Oh, your comfort zone. Hello, Tagaytay. Hello, Tagaytay. This is the place. This is Tagaytay. That's, I think, that's Taal Volcano. Taal Volcano. We're on the third floor. And we're here. And parking lot, and then you drive. Nice to be out. Oh, your comfort zone. Hello, Tagaytay. Hello, I'm here at Tagaytay. You can see a beautiful view. Beautiful. And this is Condo Town. I'm here outside. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. So, hello guys. So, ang ganda dito. Malamig. Malayong malayo ang water sa Manila. Napakaganda ng water. You can see that. Hello. Nakagising ko lang early in the morning. Tagaytay. Ano yung golf course view natin? Malapit lang siya. And of course, yun, papasok. Nasa 16th floor. 1605. So, 16th floor. Ayan. Natutulog pa kasi yung mga kasama ko. So, ayoko muna pumasok sa room. I'm gonna tour you later on what's inside a condo town in Tagaytay. Bye for now. Napakaganda po ng view early in the morning. Tanya. It's kind of scary kasi medyo mataas siya. Pero napakaganda ng view. Hello, Tagaytay. This is the place. Hindi ka ma-gets yun.
That's not just my mom.
Yeah, how about you, Bea?
ABM graduate.
Leah's more into business than I am, actually.
Lies.
What time? This is lunch.
I mean,
This is Tagaytay. That's, I think, that's Taal Volcano. Taal Volcano. We're on the third floor. And we're here. And parking lot. And then we drive. So nice to be out of your comfort zone. Hello, Tagaytay.
Manila. My friend came from Saudi. Like, you know, they'll be working. Came back. He's studying in LaSalle. And she said that she hates the Manila heat more than she hates the desert.
So we're here, still here in Tagaytay. Okay, it's nice.
Come on, I got that from the Reina de la Canals.
So we're going up hill.
That's the condo.
There. That one?
Is that the condo?
The hotel condo. Hotel
So that is Kuya Danis.
yeah,
We're here at Skyride.
You want to play?
fine. We're fine though. Or do you want to play?
nang dahil doon, nag-asawa na rin si Janet. Hello.
I'm so tired driving.
How's your driving today?
I'm so tired. I can't do it anymore.
Okay.
I can drive.
You got a nice car. I can see you.